In the last video, we discussed the preposition of, and in this one, we will discuss the differences between the usage of on, in, at. We will be making a comparative study of where to use on, where to use in, and where to use at. So this is the second video on prepositions. On. When do we use the preposition on? The thing is outside. The thing is outside, and the base of one object touches the top surface of another object. Two conditions. The thing should be outside, not inside, and the bottom of one should touch the top surface of the second. A ball on the table. See that the bottom of the ball touches the top surface of the table. Apples on the table. The apples or the basket or this apple, the bottom is touching the surface of the table. So the thing should be outside and the object should touch the surface. In. The thing is inside and one thing is either fully or partly surrounded by another. Either the thing is inside or one of the thing is completely or partially surrounded by the second. Fishes in water. Water is totally surrounding the fish. Boy in knee-deep water. The water is surrounding the boy partly till the knees. So one thing is surrounding another thing and the thing is inside. At. Neither outside nor inside. We use at to indicate location rather than position. Policeman at the crossing. The location. Where is the policeman? Not the position. The clerk at the counter. There is a clerk at the counter. Neither inside nor outside. It is just the location. The man at the desk. So we are just talking about the location of the person or object and not inside or outside. So in means inside and one object surrounds the other, like the water surrounding the fish or water surrounding the boy till the knees. On means outside and the surfaces are touching. The ball is touching the table. The apple is touching the table. And at is mere location. Second, on we use with days and dates. On 9th January, on 9th, it's a date. On Monday, it's a day. In is used with months and years. In January or in the month of January. In the year 2022, with month or year we use in. And with a particular time we are using at 6 o'clock, at 10 a.m., at 5 p.m. So days and dates we are using on 9th, on Monday. Months and years we use in January, in the year 2022. And with a time, a specified time, we are using at 6 in the morning or at 6 o'clock in the morning. Certain phrases. Now, no logic can be given. These are so-called set phrases established by long usage and custom. We say in the day, but at night. And we say at night, not at the night, at night. In the day, but at night. In bed, not in the bed, in bed. He was in bed. On time, referring to punctuality, not at time. On time, please come on time, please don't be late. At times means sometimes. At times, these things happen. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but at noon. Not in the noon, but at noon. Now here, we have a few sentences or phrases where both are permissible. Fire on a person or fire at a person. Both are correct. Knock on the door or knock at the door. Someone in trouble. You're always in trouble. That is surrounded by trouble. Depends on something or depends on someone. A program is always on the TV. A person on the committee, but a person is in the team. A player is in the team, but a person is on the committee. We have got 7 days in a week, 1000 grams in a kilogram. We say an object is at rest, but an object is in motion. And lastly, we will consider two special cases, in versus into and on versus upon. Sorry, this should not be in versus into, this should be on versus upon. On and upon. The heading was a mistake, on versus upon. In refers to contexts when things are at rest. Into refers to contexts when things are in motion. He is busy in the room. He is sitting quietly but busy in the room. He walked into the room. Walking into the room, motion. The fish lives in water. He dived into the lake, motion, dived into. Is there enough air in the tire? Pump more air into the ball. Pumping means flow of air, motion. On and upon. The heading in and into is incorrect. It should be on and upon. We have same thing. On refers to contexts when things are at rest or stable, and upon refers to contexts when things are dynamic or in motion. Selection will depend on performance, a stable condition. Return depends upon market rates because market rates go up and down, dynamic, always changing. He kept it on the table. He banged his fist upon the desk, banging, motion of the hand. I depend on you. Farmers depend upon monsoon. The monsoon is always uncertain. It is always fluctuating when it will come. He is the Elite English Educational Trust. We hope you have found the video useful. WhatsApp us or email us if you need videos on any specific topic. We will be coming back with more videos in the series Prepositions